is at the Front Porch in San Francisco's Mission District, where if rocking chairs don't pull you in, the rocking food will.
Dr. Pepper short ribs.
They melt in your mouth. They're absolutely awesome.
Dr. Pepper, yeah! Let's do this.
All right, so we're gonna season our boneless beef short ribs with a little bit of salt and fresh black pepper.
Okay.
Super hot saute pan, canola oil, and we want to get a nice sear on these guys.
Seriously.
That's a good pun.
Thank you very much.
Now we're ready to start the braise.
Okay.
So we're gonna go straight into a hotel pan here.
Smells great already.
We're gonna do mirepoix, which is a rough chop of carrot, celery, onion, fresh thyme, bay leaves, chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, homemade chicken stock, and then a lot of Dr. Pepper. We don't call it Dr. Pepper short ribs for nothing. So we just want to make sure it's all covered.
In the oven, how long?
350 for 4 hours. All right, so we're ready to plate up a short rib. Take one of these guys.
In their own jus.
Yep. We're gonna season this with a little bit more black pepper,
Okay.
a little more kosher salt.
Melt it with a little butter at the
A
end?
little butter, yeah, it's gonna help it thicken up. As if it's not already rich enough, it's just gonna
Oh,
make
yes,
it
yes.
a little bit more rich. So we're just gonna let that reduce back there. All right, so we have celery root puree and nice spoonful.
Beautiful.
Sauteed mustard greens, our short rib, and the Dr. Pepper braise right on top of that. And last but not least, a little fresh grated horseradish.
I love fresh horseradish. It's not very good, and you should probably put it all in the trunk of my car, and I'll get rid of it for you. The short rib is so tender that it's just falling apart. You just have to help it with the fork a little bit. The celery root puree is a great medium, the whole dish. The fresh horseradish, along with the mustard greens, adds a nice contrast to this braising liquid that's been reduced. And the Dr. Pepper, it's just this nice round flavor, and every little piece you did here, killer.
Awesome, thank you.
I mean, really killer.
Cool.
And the Dr. Pepper short ribs.
Juicy, it's tender, and it's flavored amazing.
You can just take your fork and just break it right apart. It's just so soft.
Small little kitchen and a chef with a lot of personality. It's awesome.
Cool, thank you very much.
Enjoyed it.